When you hear the term private client office, what comes to mind? Wealth management, luxury services, exclusive investments? In reality, a private client office can be much more than that. It is about having the right people, the right information, and the right support when important decisions need to be made. As entrepreneurs, investors, and business owners grow, their requirements become more complex. It could be expanding a business internationally, evaluating a property or investment opportunity, exploring global mobility options, or simply finding the right specialist for a very specific requirement. The problem isn't always a lack of options. It's knowing which options actually deserve your attention. That's where a private client office comes in. At its core, the approach is simple: understand, advise, execute. First, understand. Before suggesting anything, you need to understand the client's objectives, priorities, and circumstances. Second, advise. Bring the right expertise, information, and trusted relationships into the conversation. And third, execute. Because a good recommendation means very little if nothing happens after the conversation. The right introductions need to be made, the right specialists need to be coordinated, and the client should have clarity about what happens next.
And there's another important part of this relationship: discretion. Not every business decision needs to be public. Not every investment conversation needs to happen in a crowded marketplace. And not every personal or family requirement needs to be shared widely. For many entrepreneurs, investors, and families, privacy and trust aren't additional benefits. They're part of the service itself. This is the philosophy behind Hashmi House, a private client office built to support entrepreneurs, investors, business owners, and families through carefully selected expertise and trusted relationships. Our goal isn't to create more noise, it's to make important decisions clearer, more connected, and easier to execute. Because ultimately, it's not about having the most options, it's about having the right options, the right people, and the right support when it matters. Hashmi House. Time, trust, legacy. Consider it handled.